Garbage is being collected. If not, it would have been, by this time, it would be to the level of the rooftops, di ba? It's being collected. But the problem is the timing. And a little adjustment in the procedure would probably solve it.
Kaya nga nag-aangalan na yung DPWH sabi tayo, paano tayo opisina niya. Sabi ko, I'm sorry, but you need to report. Dito sa opisina. Report sa bangko. Diyan eh. Association niya ng security agency. So, alam na rin yung mga may-ari ng mga security agency.
Okay sa kanila. Agree na sila?
Oo.
We have to put up a new dump site, no? Because many of our dump sites are temporary. That may be good for only a year or two. And so we have to come up with a new dump site, which is a good one, to serve the need now and for a longer term.
Sir,
Saan ang tambak, nandoon kami para makapaghanap buhay, para maipakain namin sa pamilya namin. Pag walang tambak, wala rin kami. Yun lang po ang inaasahan namin pag may tambak. Yung kumikita po kami. Pag walang tambak, hindi po kami kumikita kasi yun lang pong inaasahan namin pag may tapo ng basura.